Okay, Dan. So, progress for Sprint 3. Actually, I have it pulled up here. I've been working on this database for, it's like a rough sketch. It's gonna have four tables for right now. The user table, which just has the ID, the name of the user, and how many storage locations they have. So if they have a fridge and a pantry, or stuff like that. So the locations, i.e. the fridge, we're just gonna name it, actually this should be var instead of char, car, has uh, the user ID, so like something to tie it to the user, as well as the items in storage, like how many items they have at that location. So like how many items they have in the fridge. The inventory list is gonna have all the food, the actual food, with the expiration date, how many, where they are, like the fridge or the pantry, what type is it, like dairy, meat, or you know, product, like the actual name and the barcode of the product. The shopping list is kind of be similar to the inventory list, but the shopping list itself is going to have like the user ID for the shopping list, obviously, and the products, i.e., like, do you want milk? Type, it's dairy, and how many do you currently have in your fridge or pantry, whatever, and how many you would like to have in the future. And I also installed SQLite with a SQLite Studio to help like do the database. This is like a GUI that'll handle most of those things. For example, this is going to be users, and we want to add um, user underscore ID. It's primary key, and I'm still working on how to like fully connect all the tables, but it's getting there. As for the pie, it came in recently. I'll just add a picture of it, I guess. Not much really to do other than that. GitHub, that one is right here for commits. It's only one commit because you can't really do much a lot of stuff with the pie recently. It's just like a wake feature that's currently there. 20 lines. I know it's not much, but the pie did take some time to get here. Did not use Amazon. I used uh, uh, Adafruit, which has not the best shipping time, I guess. Probably should have used Amazon, but this was cheaper. For the Gantt, I couldn't really get the reports to show up. I tried. I really did. It was hard, but I just averaged like 2 hours because I wasn't sure how to put like waiting for pi to arrive. The sequel itself actually did take me 2 hours. It was a lot different, and the code for this I was also messing around for about 2 hours. This one I think it was a little bit more, 2 hours, because I was looking at some forums that have like were using different types of wakes. They were using buttons and like Wi-Fi like enabled signals, which I don't think we're there yet, but we will be there eventually. Probably have to solder some buttons on, but that's for future date stuff. And that's pretty much it.